Hey everybody, and welcome to another great video. Good morning, afternoon, evening, depending on the time of day on your end. This is a video about how you can hide specific sub or sub-subs on the additional details or the list details, depending on the version of your or the ID of your site of your for your members. So somebody asked this a while back, and I forgot to do a video about it. But the idea is in a specific membership level, you might not want them to be able to see a subcategory with all the sub-subs inside of it, or maybe you don't want a specific one to show for that membership level. So there might be membership levels where they can actually see all of them. There might be membership levels where you only want to hide a couple. So just to make the video shorter, what you're going to be doing is, and I'm going to zoom in here so you can actually see it. This is the code that you need to add. You see function, which is by default in this widget when you customize it. So you're gonna go to toolbox, widget manager, look for this baby. And the only thing that you're gonna be adding is these lines. So type those babies in. You can pause the video, type it in. And the only one that you're gonna be editing is this one here. So what this does is it tells the system, okay, for this membership level that the member that we're visually seeing at the time is in, hide the following sub or subcategories, and you put the IDs of those subcategories in here. Okay, and then that's all that you gotta do. If you want to create another membership level or another array for the membership level, just copy this. Remember the comma there, and you put another membership level here, and maybe another membership level there with the IDs, and you can scale this. I always try to make it so you can scale. That's same concept for the partners that help us live every day. We try to help them scale. So after you've done only these steps, which by the way, you actually don't need this. That was from my other testing stuff that I was doing. So you only need to customize this part, okay? Then we scroll down, la 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 la, and there's a specific page part where we're gonna be actually calling this. So let's scroll down, and I'm looking at the IDs here so you don't get lost. And the first one that we're gonna find is on line 100 or around a line 100. You will have an if statement that looks just like this. That's all. Is master greater than 0. You're gonna put at 2 ampersands and you're gonna add this line in with the extra parentheses there, by the way. So there should be 2 parentheses here and the opening curly brace. Voila, that's all. Then we keep on going down. We keep on going down. We keep on going down. Choo, 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 until we get to this while here that you're seeing with an S, 145. And inside of it, you're going to find this 164. You should be seeing a line that says something like this: HTML dot equals blah, 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 especially this part, subcategory. On top of it, you're going to put this if statement. And after the this div ends, you can see it here, between the div ending and the actual KK++, you're going to put the closing curly brace that corresponds to the if statement that you created here. That's it. We keep on going down, and now you're going to see the last one. This same if statement that you saw above, if you notice there. We're on line 181. You're going to do the same thing. You put an if statement that englobes the HTML here, and you put that additional um, ending closing curly brace, and you're done. Now you can go get a drink of coffee. You're a hacker. You're amazing. Pretty sure that's the only 3 that I remember that I did there. Just yep. It's only those 3. Once you've done those 3, you don't have to edit anything anymore. You only go here and you start playing around with it. So let's start playing around with it. Let's say that you don't want to show hospital tacos. So you right click that one. I mean, there's a better way. You go to my member categories, and you start looking for all the IDs there. If you actually go there, you can see the IDs here. You start like creating a list of the ones that you want to hide. I'm just making it more difficult for you so you can watch more of my video and just annoy the hell out of you. But you can see here the values, okay? So I got here 17. If I put 1, which is the membership level ID of this member, and I put 17 here, just like that. They're comma separated if you wanted to put more. But if I put 17 there and I refresh this, inside the Mexican one, there won't be any hospital tacos anymore. Voila. And let's say that maybe this member, it's not supposed to be associated with Peruvian food. So you right click that, or again, you go to the my members member categories, and you look for the parent, which is Peruvian here, which is 4. I can see 4 there. So if we put 4 here, now it's gonna hide Peruvian and it's gonna hide the hospital one. So that means I'm only gonna be able to see 2 subs, which are Mexican and Venezuelan. And inside Mexican, I can't see the one there, see? And that's how the cookie rolls, or something that Jim Carrey said. I forgot. Anyway, there's this little course here. So now you know how to do it yourself. And you can scale this by copying more membership levels here. See? Now you can scale it as big as you want. And it's easy to maintain because you only need to take care of this part. And that's it. So hope the video helps. Big hugs to everybody. Think positive as always. And remember to like, subscribe, and share the video so other people can subscribe, because I'm trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers or whatever, so YouTube can give me $1 million. Okay, take care. Bye.